Today is day 2050 of buying $1 of Bitcoin every day. The current price of Bitcoin is about $58,000. This is my main wallet right here where I'm storing my Bitcoin. So I have 0.123 in here. And then I purchased my Bitcoin here on Strike app. I have it set up to auto purchase daily. And when you do this, you won't have any fee. And I have another video on my channel explaining how to set that up if you want to see that. So my auto purchase has already happened for today. And I'm actually going to transfer this Bitcoin in my Strike app over to my other wallet. And once you get 0.00075 Bitcoin, you can do a free transfer. So I'm just going to tap send Bitcoin wallet. I'm pasting in my address. I'm going to tap max. I'm going to select the option on the bottom, flexible, no fee. Tap next. This is going to give me my order details. This transfer can take 24 hours, but that's fine. I'm in no rush for this. This is about $49 worth of Bitcoin. So when we do our calculations at the end of the video, we'll know. And tap confirm. Send initiated. Okay. So now that Bitcoin is on its way to this wallet here. Let's take a look at a few things and then I'll calculate how I'm doing. So this is a new website I found, bitbo.io. You can view a simple chart here and it has a lot of good data and information. The current Bitcoin difficulty, blockchain stats, Bitcoin versus gold is interesting. So you can see Bitcoin is 6.71% of the market cap of gold. So it's still very small compared to gold. The Bitcoin treasuries is interesting. There's 2.45 million Bitcoin held in treasuries. And this makes up for about 12% of the supply. So 12% of the supply held in these treasuries. But there's a lot of good data and info on here if you want to come check it out. Quick look at the Bitcoin chart. Basically, we're in this pattern right here. If I were to guess, I think this is going to break upward towards the end of the year. We are right on these moving averages, which is kind of a critical point. This one, this orange one here is crossing. So that's a good sign. But if we want to go like way back, you can take this thing and just drag it. And like you can see pretty much the pattern that we've been in since 2013. You know, it's either above this line or below this line. If you're below this line, you pretty much want to be buying. If you're above it, you know, if you get way away from this trend line, you want to be selling. So I personally wouldn't be selling here. I would be looking for something up here to sell. But if you do draw this line, that makes it pretty dead simple to see the trend that's happening. And this is something that I've just been playing with a little bit. X1 Zen blocks. It's a new blockchain. I've been mining this XNM token. This is a proof of work, proof of stake blockchain. I have some other videos about this on my channel too, so you could check those out. Now let's do some calculations. So we have $7,124 here plus $49, so 7,1 divided by 2,050 days equals a 3.5x on my investment just from doing dollar cost averaging $1 per day. Very simple and easy to do strategy for anyone, especially now on these apps. You can just set it to auto buy. So can't beat that. Love to see it. We'll check the overall gain. 7,173 minus 2,050 days equals $5,123 gained. Looks good to me. So really enjoying this experiment. I just keep going with it. It's working well. It's paying off. Everything is automatic. So we just check in every 50 days on the YouTube channel and see how it's going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.